Sureband is fitted in seconds. It can be used with all corrosive chemicals. One shield fits multiple flange sizes. It requires no pull cords. It requires no tools to fit. It has PDT technology to diffuse pressure, resulting in a safe drip release. It is self-draining. It is removed and reinstalled in seconds. It is incredibly strong. It has a replaceable, colour-changing leak indicator patch. It is stocked all around the world. It can be made in different widths and shapes. All shield designs go through rigorous pressure testing. Pressure test videos are available on the website. We are certified ISO 9001-2015 for manufacturing and design. Safety shields is all we do. This is our speciality.